all things JDM.
With a Z. Okay, so with all that's going on in America with, you know, the tariffs and everybody's scared, all we're doing is we are stocking up on next year's purchases. We got all the 2001s, the 2002s, the late 2000s, even some 03, 04, 05s kicking, because we are getting ready for when you guys are ready to buy these vehicles after everything blows over. So we are getting ready. Okay, got the Evo 7s, we got the WRXs, we got a lot of the newer stuff that you guys are not able to purchase right now. We're just gonna keep them in storage. So we'll buy low, try to keep the prices low for you guys. But naturally, you know, we're investing, right? So we got to make a little bit of bread too, you know what I mean? So yeah, that's all. Let's get to it. All right, so here we have a 1998 Nissan Stagea PSSY wagon. So this one's different. It's got like some crazy wing. It's got some under lip body stuff. It's got some eyelids. It says DAYZ everywhere with a Z, so I like it. However, it is automatic, and when I smell it, it smells like it has a cat living inside of it. So I highly suggest whoever gets this one, drop it off and get it nicely detailed and get that stench out of there. Other than that, it's not crazy anywhere. It looks good. Turbo, RB25, DET. Here's the VIN if you need it. It's a 1998, so she's ready to rock and roll. Again, the auction sheet is sun faded, so I can't see a damn thing. It's got 150,000 kilometers. 156,000 kilometers. The pollen is crazy this month, man. It's turning all the cars green. It's got everybody fucking sneezing and all kinds of crazy shit. It's terrible this month. But this one's here. It's cool. If you need to be a part of the Stagea family, this could be the one. Let me know.